welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
And my name's Ben.
And today we are going to make some little letters for my pedestals. You won't know this, but I go to gymnastics called Diamonds. There's two. I went to the first one and the second one. And I got some new pedestals yesterday. They're just blank. We're going to paint them on Monday. And we're going to pick out some paints of B&Q. And today we're going to do some little letters so they know my name at gymnastics.
That's right, yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So these are my pedestals. You can see they're just blank. We're going to paint them on Monday. We're going to pick out them at B&Q. So I'm going to bring these every week to gymnastics. Every Wednesday and Friday. That's the day that I go to Diamonds. And
So where we're going to put the letters, Matilda?
we're going to put them on the front or the back, on the side.
Where do you reckon you're going to put them?
On the
Maybe on the front?
side.
On the side?
On the side.
On the inside there?
That side.
On that side. So you're going to put Matilda on both of them, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
So we're going to have to do a patch today and a patch tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll have to do this tray of letters. We've got these mini letters. I'll show you. We've used these before for your Matilda resin shop board we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to get some into these now. Go on.
No one's bought any of the mixed up things.
The little ones, no, they haven't. Have they? No, so we'll get these poured today. So they need to set overnight. We can pop them out and then do another set tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's get cracking.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to mix the resin now. So we've got our, where is it? Resin from Craft Resin. We love this resin, amazing. Mica powder, so Matilda, what colour mica powder are we doing?
So today we're going to use red glow. And tomorrow we're going to use blue glow.
Show you then. So red glow and blue glow. So we'll do a red glow today. We'll spell out as much as we can of Matilda's name. And then we've got these cool moulds as well, which are these little bunnies and owls and things. So we're going to do one of each of them today, and the rest tomorrow, out with Matilda. So we'll get mixing now. We'll put our gloves on for safety. We'll move the camera down so you can see exactly what we're doing, and let's get mixing.
Hello everybody, welcome back. So it's the next day, is Monday today. So we're gonna paint it, but first I need to tell you what we've got today. So we've got our sheets at the table, just in case you get paint on it. We've got some gloves. We've got some wood, some paint, some wicks. That one's Parma Violet, and this one is Fairy Tale, pink. Let's get started. Woo! So now we're going to varnish it, the pedestals. Got my other glove over. Let's get started. Come on. So now we put 2 coats of varnish on, and now we're going to put all the animals and all the letters on. We've got all kinds of different colours of letters. Here's some more. Show them.
How are we sticking them on, Matilda?
With very, very, very sticky super glue.
Super glue. Okay.
I've never done this before.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. So now we've stuck them all on with very, very sticky super glue, and now I'm going to show you some stuff that I can do on them. Let's go. So now I'm going to show you on my pedestals what I'm going to do for my competition in November. Here, let's get started. Present. Tuck cleaver, a thing back, a pipe cleaver, then go back, put these a bit closer, and this is called a straddle lever. Then you're going to stand on your pedestals. Then you're going to do an arm stretched. Then you just put your arms to the side. Do 1 foot balance for 3 seconds. Do everything for 3 seconds. Then you can do jump. 100%. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.